another game of Sorry, I have the hiccups. I'm going to be playing Granny. I'm going to try not to talk because I have hiccups. Ugh. Granny just has a bat. And of course my friend Granny. Crap. I don't like this. I'm usually having the hiccups. Bad luck is he was. I am falling yikes. I'm not talking no more. Listen. We're going in circles. Perfect timing. Here. Put the hammer away. You've got to be kidding me. The crap. I have no shirt on. If I was an adult, I would be saying the H word right now. Get away. Anyways. Dude. Could you? Nothing. Felix just left the game. I don't want to be Granny. Every time alright. He right below me cannot be it again. He can't be Granny again because he was just Granny. Yes. But the bad luck is for me is the house and I'm Granny. I don't like to be Granny. I like to be one that has to go around. Oh yay! Somebody else is it. Do do do. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, play! Let's go on an adventure. Granny wakes up I always start out with Granny in the basement. So, if you don't change it right here. I'm watching you. Down. Baka. So, crouch. Here. Get up. Gonna explore his Granny. Granny. Press there and then press again. And then it will start to come up. Like grab the cogwheel. Hi, you got the screwdriver. I was gonna get that screwdriver. You took it. And drop the cogwheel inside of the crap. Ready? I got the shotgun last time. I managed to find all the pieces. One's by the playhouse, one's in the basement, and the other one's in the attic. Okay, sorry. Can't move. Gonna make a run for it. In the base. In the garage. Never mind. Screwdriver. Oh god, dang it. Poop. Roo. Driver. Hey, so where'd you put the screwdriver? Oh. Okay. Okay. Okay, you have it. Granny is stuck there. Ha. Oh, I just picked up. Where's the other piece? It just vanished. Granny is stuck. We're good to go. Don't worry, Nicole. Gosh dang you. Play happy. Good. We've got the car. And then I just... Oh, wait, no. I have to go the other way. Yes, there is. There's that screwdriver. Where is it? I shouldn't be worrying about it. Hey! Oh, god dang it. No! Gosh dang. I like the house. Get the house, please. No, leave. Alright, so we're gonna leave the game. Anyways, that's all for this video, guys. Ah! Sorry about that. Just take these notes. Anyways, that's all for this video. I'm gonna be making another one. And let's see, which one could it be? We'll do the next one is prison life, I think. I'll try Meep City. So, yeah, that's all for this video. See you in the next video. Bye, guys.